And we have come to the last video. I started making this course on the 4th. It is now the 17th. So in 2 weeks, I did a video for every single piece that is due in your entire course. That was, I don't know, 50 assignments, 50 videos, something like that. I can't really remember or keep track. But any possible thing that you had to turn in for this course, guess what? There's a video for it with all the information where I go through how to do the assignments either by hand, Excel, StatCrunch, and just about everyone has all three. So I hope this was useful. I appreciate all the feedback along the way from you students. I thought it was really good, telling me what was working, telling me how off my handwriting is. I apologize for that. But if you really need more one-on-one stuff, I'm more than happy to Zoom meet with other folks. I Zoom met with a bunch of people already just in these first 2 weeks. So reach out to me. I'm more than happy to be here to help you. So I'm going to share my screen. This is for the final. Please don't cheat. Please try to do it early. So here is the very last video. And then I think I'm going to start building them for the wannabe math teachers course, Math for Teachers, part 1 and part 2. I think that'll be really good. Oh, and also if you are around over the summer, I'm doing a big bridge to help anybody with their math skills. Let's say you're worried about your math skills, you want to beef them up, doing a week-long bridge over the summer. So here it is. We're zooming this and the final exam. So I'm just going to go to modules. Final. What does the final look like? It's on Pearson. So you have to open Pearson. It's just like test one. Now, this does not give me leeway for grading, okay? You only get one attempt at this, okay? You only have one attempt. What does that mean? You do not get multiple attempts at this. So I would study beforehand. Let's like start the test just so you can see what it looks like. It should look like every other thing we have. Here's all your questions. 43 questions, 53 possible points. Everything is worth one each. All right, so it's just like the other one where you actually have to attempt them all, which I hate. I'm gonna see if I can mess with the settings on this. Um, determine so, but we could always go next and go back, right? Can they let us go back? Okay, so you can navigate to a different question and save for later mode. So because we can do this, we can stop and keep going. I'll see how much I can change to the final. Let's see if I can change stuff with your final to make it easier for you, as well as your quizzes. Let's see what I can do. I want to at least make it so you can jump around. Look at how many I took out. You just have these, but I took those out as well. So out of all of these assignments, I only gave you this many. I know. Isn't that great? So there should have been a ton more. Oh, I didn't put one for this one. I don't have a due date for that, but that's okay. Um, but yeah, so I took it just about everything out. I'm gonna see if I can edit this. All right, here we go. I'll see what I can do. I want to choose the settings. Wait, no, this is what I need to do. Allow students to work on change score. Nope, nope, nope. Yeah, one attempt makes sense. The save for later option, they can leave and return later to complete the test. They can. Hmm. So if I change it to this one, but then you can't do it in one session. So the only way to move this thing around is by to leave it. That's why I have it that way. Okay, so yeah. because I have the save for later option, you can't go around. This will be scrambled, sorry. Uh, Allow students to view feedback while reviewing. Yeah, that's fine. So that's the only really thing that I changed. So yeah, so you have to do one at a time. I know that's annoying, but at least in this way, when you're working on it, you can close this thing and restart it, which is nice. So I can literally resume. So let me resume later. All right, well, it's not letting me do anything. If I just click back. All right, so I'm gonna try that again, see what's going on. Open to Pearson. All right, well, I got rid of it, so things happen. Nice, nice, nice. Save and assign. Okay, let's see what happens. I think I did it. Oh, okay, because there's only one attempt, so you can't go back on this thing. I know that's annoying, so you have to do the whole thing one at a time. But it says you can save the test. When we return to the test, you will not be accessed to the questions you already worked on. Be sure to complete the question before moving to the next question or clicking resume later. So let's just try this again. Maybe because it's just one attempt, it doesn't let you do that. So I guess you just have to do it. You have to do one at a time. You have to just put an answer in. I'm gonna see what I can do with this. Final. All right, because we can't start and stop because we only have one attempt at it, which is kind of strange, but that's fine. So let's go to next. This makes sense. I like that. Okay, that's fine. I don't want to put any of my own questions in. Partial credit's fine. I'm not doing late work for this one. One to temps. Students have the save later option. They can leave and later complete the test. When students return, they cannot answer the questions they already did. Students are expected to complete the test in one session. If an attempt is interrupted, they may re-access on their own. Attempted must enable access. So I'll do this. If an attempt is interrupted, instructors must enable access. Students cannot resume an incomplete attempt until the instructor enables access to it. No, I think it's just going to be this one. I don't know how to go to that save for later option. No time limit. Perfect. Scramble. Perfect. Allow students to move. There's no graphic on this. Okay, let's go to next. Let's see what else we got. That's it. All right, let's see. So I just changed this. You can save this test to work on later. When you return to this test, you will not be able to access questions you already worked on. Okay. So if I start this and just click resume later, I should be good. I don't know why it doesn't give me that choice, which is weird. So I guess you do have to do it in one sitting. Just make sure you have the time. You have as long as you want. You can let your computer run for forever. If it stops, um, I've got a paper version if you bomb it, but I'd rather you do it on this. Please don't cheat. Just use everything, right? Get the critical value. Exciting, you know? Find the margin of error. This is all the pieces. It shouldn't be too hard. If you're really freaking out, just, ask for some help right before. Be like, I don't remember ever. I totally like your video was fine, but I don't remember how to find margin of error. Reach out to me. I'll walk you through it. If there's like a specific piece you don't know, just tell me. All right. I hope that was helpful. See if I can do this. Because I didn't touch it. Yeah, cool. So just reach out to me. I was trying to mess with it to make it easier. Look how many things I took out, right? I took out all these extra views, all these quizzes, just to make it a little bit easier for you. And you know, just let me know. I hope this course was useful. Oh, here's one more thing, because it's the end. What's the thing that they always tell me to do? Oh yeah, the eval. So whether you like this course, hated this course, you thought it made sense to you, you thought it was good, do the eval. Tell me what was useful, what wasn't. Tell me what you liked. I got some really nice emails already in the first 2 weeks saying how helpful the videos are, but like it's the first time I'm teaching this stuff. So obviously you could let me know what's worked, what didn't work, so I can shift it in the future. I hope you enjoyed learning stats as much as I like teaching it. If you have any more questions or anything else you'd like to learn from me, um, just reach out or stop by my office. Enjoy your day and the summer. Enjoy your summer. It was interesting doing 2 weeks of all these videos. I hope you found them all useful.